blocks, put away the toys. Good job, girls, and good job, boys. Books on the shelf, cars in the bin. Let's make it sparkle, let the fun begin. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Puzzles in the box, crayons in the tray. We worked together, we had a great day. Now the floor is clear and the room is neat. Tidying up is such a treat. Everything is in its place with a happy smile on